Okay, it's James Pratt here with Two Trees. We're at the ISTE 2024 in Denver. And I ran across my friends at Sketchup. Now, I've used Sketchup for many years, and for my own 3D modeling, I make like redesign my kitchen with it. And so they have this product that's free for schools. I was amazed it was free for schools. So I want to talk about it. I'm here with Tori. Why don't you talk about how it works, what Sketchup is, and how schools can use it?
Happy to, James. Thanks. Yeah, so I have been the product manager for Sketchup for Schools for about 4.5 years now. And we've essentially taken the desktop version that everybody knows and loves, and we made it a web app that is accessible to them through either Google or Microsoft for education. And it's something that they can enable for free at their schools and use on any device they might have, from Chromebooks all the way through to desktop lab computers.
And so explain what SketchUp is, because I think a lot of people probably don't know what it is.
Right, I'm getting too excited and getting ahead of myself here. So SketchUp is a 3D modeling tool. So if you can imagine it, you can probably design it in SketchUp. We offer lesson plans that incorporate anything from as small as modeling a cell to science class, all the way up to a full cityscape.
Yeah, I love it because I use it. It's so easy. You just get this mouse that you control the 3D model with, and you build everything to scale already. You don't have to do the scaling and stuff. It's like I built a pool deck recently for my swimming pool, and I could just roll up underneath it and look and check things how it fit, cut the wood the way I want, get everything designed. It's just a piece of cake. It makes it so much easier. Then you get all your dimensions and all your cuts. You figure it all out ahead of time, and so kids can kind of learn how to use that.
They can, and that's actually one of my favorite things about this, is that we have built it on a similar platform to what we offer to higher education and to our commercial users. So not only are we getting tech in the hands of our students, but we're also setting them up for success later on down the line, because it's the same tools and the same platform that they're going to be using.
Yeah, and so here's a little demo of it. You can see it, hopefully you can see it on the screen. Why don't you kind of walk through that?
Yeah, so my coworker Casey here is showing a model that we have of Union Station here in downtown Denver. This is a good example of one of the larger scale architectural models that somebody might make in something like SketchUp for Schools.
Yeah, whenever I was building, I built a big shop, and my father, I inherited a pickup truck from him. It was really big. When I designed my shop, I was able to download from your 3D library the exact pickup truck of my dad, because it was extra long, and then I could model my shop to make sure that would fit inside there. I thought that was really cool. I didn't have to build a model of the truck. So you guys have a lot of models that already people make, companies make.
We do, yeah. So 3D Warehouse is still one of the biggest repositories of 3D content, and a lot of it is sourced from our user community. So they make some really incredible scale models that all of our users can then share and take advantage of.
Yeah, so when I remodeled our kitchen, I would download stoves or a sink, and I could drop those into my 3D model and know how to model things.
Yeah, for students, it's more, you're modeling your classroom, or maybe doing set design for a theater class, and they can bring in the stage, they can bring in the tables and the chairs and actually lay all of that stuff out.
Yeah.
Or sometimes even the characters.
Yep.
Anybody that's used SketchUp knows our scale figures are popular, so we have a lot of people included in 3D Warehouse.
So now, how do schools get started? A teacher, let's say, wanted to use this for their classroom instruction. How would they get started with it?
It's managed the same way the rest of Google's and Microsoft's education apps are. So a teacher they talk to their admin, and they go in and they enable it for the school. It's free, so once they've got it, everybody can sign in using their school accounts, and they're up and running from there. We have a lot of pre-built kind of plug-and-play curriculum, so whether it's the teacher or the student learning for the first time, they can choose from a wide selection of lesson plans that we've created, addressing everything from math, science, language arts, geometry, or just basic modeling skills, teaching them the fundamentals of 3D modeling.
Well, great. Well, thanks for your time today, and we appreciate it. And yeah, try out this SketchUp. It's free, it's easy to do, and I think you'll really enjoy it. It gives your kids really a heads up when they graduate and get into job skills. It gives them some really great skills they can use.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you, James.
All right, thanks.